Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Science S. In this channel, we discuss about the interesting and main topics of math and science. Till now, we have discussed about the different type of geometrical shapes and to find perimeter and areas of that shapes. Today, we will discuss about how to find the volume of 3D shape, that is cylinder and cone. In the previous video, we have already discussed about how to find the volume of cube and cuboid. In this video, we will discuss about how to find the volume of cylinder and cone. Please watch the video till the end so that the concept of finding the volume of cylinder and cone will be clear. Let's come to the point. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the volume of cube and cuboid. If you know that length, breadth and height of any cuboid or cube, then we can find. In case of cube, volume will be L cube, and in case of cuboid, volume will be LBH. Suppose this is the L and B is the base, that is rectangle in shape, and if we find the area of rectangle and multiply it by the height, then it will become the volume. Same criteria is applied for finding the volume of cylinder also. Okay, in this case, bottom is circular in shape and top is also circular in shape, and this is parallel. Okay, and we know how to find the area of circle. Pi r square is the area of circle and h is the height of the cylinder. If you will multiply area of circle with height, then it will become the volume of cylinder. Same case in cone also, but in cone, volume of cone is the 1/3 of the cylinder. So here is also circular shape is there. I am showing you what is the shape of the cone. Ice cone is the example and birthday cap is the example. This is the birthday cap. Okay, we have seen this is conical in shape and this is bottom is circular. Okay, so to find the volume of this cone, we have to multiply 1/3 the volume of cylinder. So the formula will be 1/3 of pi 1/3 or 1/3 into pi r square. This is the area of circle into h, height of the cone. Then it will become the volume of the cone. Suppose imagine that this h, height of the cylinder and height of the cone is same. Then if we will fill this cone with water and pour it in the cylinder of same height, then it will reach up to 1/3. First portion, second portion, third portion is there. The water level will be reached up to here. This will be the volume of cone. So volume of cone with same height is the 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. So let's revise again. To find the volume of cylinder, formula will be pi r square h, and to find the volume of cone, it will be 1/3 into pi r square h. In both cases, pi is 22/7 or 3.14, and r is the radius. Radius in case of cylinder, radius is the radius of the circular, bottom or top, and in case of cone, it will be bottom only, radius of this circular shape of this bottom, and height is the height of the, this will be the height in case of cylinder, and this will be the height in case of cone. So it is clear that volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder. So friend, you have seen that how easy it is to find the volume of 3D shape. If we know the area of base, and if we will multiply the area of base into the third dimension, that is height, then it will become the volume. So friend, to solve any problem based on geometrical shape, two things is important. First is imagination of the geometrical shape. Okay, and second thing is formula. If two things are known, then any problem based on geometrical shape can be solved. If you like the video, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.